Hey guys, welcome to this new section here in the ChatGPT Masterclass. Here we will talk about how you can create a complete marketing funnel using ChatGPT optimized for your target audience to sell your products, your services. So it doesn't matter what is the marketing goal that you have, this funnel that we are creating here will be optimized and personalized for your specific goal. So if you want to sell more products, more services, if you want to collect leads, if you want to promote your brand all over the world, doesn't matter what the goal, this will help you achieve that. And building a marketing funnel sometimes can be time consuming because you need to think about the strategy, you need to think about your target audience, what is the free lead magnet that you will give to these persons in exchange for their information, and all that can be very complex and also consume hours, days, maybe weeks of your time. Okay? But now, the good news is that now with ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, we can do that in a few minutes. And that's what we are doing here in this section. So please keep watching this lesson here, because here I will give you the fundamentals, the steps that we are building here in this section. Okay? So I went to ChatGPT, as you can see here on screen, and I asked a simple question. How can I create a marketing funnel with ChatGPT? And here is the answer. ChatGPT can help creating a marketing funnel by generating content ideas, stage of the funnel, creating a compelling copy for ads, landing pages, automating email sequences. And here are the steps that we are using here in this section to build your marketing funnel from scratch. So number one, we will identify your target audience and buyer persona. And that's important because if you have that, we can build all the funnel based and optimized on this buyer persona. So if you are watching this course in order, you probably already have the buyer persona. If that's the case, you can jump the video where we work on the buyer persona. And number two, we are developing a free lead magnet to offer to your audience. What is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is something that you offer for free to your audience in exchange for their information. You maybe see that already online. Sometimes you go to a website, they say, hey, do you want this free report? Enter your email here, your name, your email. Do you want to see this video? Enter your name and email. Do you want to access my free ebook, for example? Enter your information here. So all these things, the webinar, webinar is a really popular one. So all these things are lead magnets, and sometimes you may be thinking, okay, if I want to give a free ebook, how long it will take me to write an ebook about my topic? I mean, it can take you days or months to write an ebook, a book, right? But not now, because we will be using ChatGPT here in this section. After we have the lead magnet, I'll give you all the examples that you can use and how to create each one of them. We'll create a landing page copy to use to drive people to that landing page, and in this landing page you will collect their name and email. You will have the page, it will be a website where you have the copy, the headline, everything there to collect their name and email. I will not build a website here, okay? We will just use ChatGPT to build the copy, the text, the title, all this copy that needs to create that desire on your customer heart for your products and service, and needs to be good enough so they want to give you their name and email. We will create that with ChatGPT, not the website. If you don't know how to create the website, you can check other courses we have where we teach step by step all the process. Okay. Next, number 4, we will use ChatGPT to generate copy for your social media ads campaign. So if you want to create ads to collect leads and send people to the funnel, we are doing that too here. And also one of the things that is most time consuming, we'll use ChatGPT to create automated email sequences for people that are in the funnel. So once we put people in the funnel, they get your free lead magnet. I mean, that's just the beginning. We need to start sending emails to these people saying, hey, thank you for joining the funnel. Thank you for joining here the community. Here is the free lead magnet. You can access the document here on the links. Also, after that, we will send some other emails where the goal is to increase the relationship you have with your client and the trustful relationship that they have on your products, your services, your company, in you. And by the end of the sequence, the goal is that they will open their wallet and buy what you offer. Okay? And number 6, we can measure the effectiveness of your funnel and make improvements based on data. Okay, we can use also ChatGPT to do that. So these are the 6 steps we are doing. In the next video, we will be identifying your buyer persona. Again, if you already have a buyer persona, just jump the next video and go to the next one, which is about the free lead magnet. See you there.